Check bio for link.
Well, boys, we were gonna go fishing, but we come into a little problem here. We ain't got no gas here. Lift up on it any at all? Yeah, let me get a jack real quick. You'll get a sunburn if you ain't careful.
Oh, yeah.
Which fucking way do you go? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, shit. We're gonna take the tire off. We just wait, get impact on it, and I can lift up on it.
You're gonna have to lift it.
Got her going now. Oh, you're good, Jake. That's plenty. Oh shit, she'll take air. Shit. I think she'll go down the road like that, son. What do you think? Well, right there he is, right there. See if he's got any tools with him. Fuck it. So it's in that cooler right there. Fucking mint, son. Oh yeah, fucking mint, son.